Hey guys, kumusta kayo and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Moe and I do contents about nursing and skincare and hair care. Okay guys, for today's vlog, as you can see, I'm walking around. The weather is very cold. It's freezing. I think it's only 2 degrees or maybe 0. It's freezing guys, and it feels like it's gonna snow here in Toronto right now. So as you can see, walking around just around the neighborhood, and this is the courtyard here. Okay, so let's go here anyway, nobody's playing. So guys, for today's vlog, let's talk about the question that I got. I just want to answer that. This is regarding finasteride. Okay, so the question was, should you stop finasteride if you experience side effect? Okay, so guys, as a nurse, what I can advise you is do not stop the medication. Document everything that you have or you are experiencing, such as when did the side effects started. Okay, are you having any pain? Do you have any difficulty breathing? Document that, including the medical conditions you have, and also if you are taking any other medications aside from finasteride, and also the supplements, okay, including those topical medications such as minoxidil or other herbal topical ointments that you're using. So disclose that to your prescribing doctor. That way your doctor can see and evaluate whether the side effects you're currently experiencing is really from finasteride and not other medications, or not from your underlying medical conditions. Okay, so if so that you experience side effect months after introducing the finasteride, it's probably from finasteride, but of course we are not sure, right? Your doctor will have to do a further assessment. Your doctor will have to do a diagnostic testing. He or she will have to do some blood works, do some physical exams. Okay, so there's a lot of things that your doctor will do to confirm that it is from finasteride. So if your doctor had confirmed that it's really from finasteride, so your doctor can either change the dosage or reduce the frequency. So instead of doing Monday to Sunday, your doctor will probably have to change it to only Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that all depends from your prescribing doctor. Okay guys, my other advice is, if you experience any side effects, I will discourage you guys from playing around with finasteride. Okay, do not cut the finasteride and reduce the frequency by yourself, and do not make the decision of changing the dosage. As I said, cutting the medications into, like say for example 0.5, okay, because you take 1 milligram daily, right? So do not cut that. And aside from that guys, finasteride is a hazardous medication, especially if you are living with family members that are pregnant. So it can cause a teratogenic effect, or it can cause, you know, problems with the developing fetus. So you guys should not be cutting medications without informing your doctor. You have to be safe with this medication. And guys, I did a video, if you want to see, I did a video regarding how to cut finasteride. Go and check it out over here. So in that video, I just talk about the safety precautions, what you guys should do when cutting these medications, okay, because it is a hazardous medication. Another thing is, do not buy alternative medications or alternative supplements just so you're thinking that it will be safer, okay? Because when you go into Google and you search for an alternative to DHT, a lot of the outcomes from the search engine will show saw palmetto, stinging nettle, pumpkin seed oil. Those supplements guys, although there are claims, it is not conclusive yet, okay? Just letting you know, the evidence or the studies with this, a lot of these supplements are still very small, and it's not FDA approved. They are not FDA approved for the treatments of any other ailments, okay? So they can say that, oh, saw palmetto and stinging nettle will promote hair growth because there's a study, there's this, there's that. We don't have enough studies to support that, okay? So guys, save your money, save your time, save your energy. Just go straight to your doctor, because your doctor are the ones who will give you a proven treatments that will definitely help your hair growth and will definitely help alleviate your side effects, okay? So your doctor will know that. And guys, let me just tell you, if you are living in the Philippines, okay, kayo, I discourage you guys, and I always mention this in my video, to stop buying finasteride over the counter, okay? It is not safe. As I said, finasteride does come with side effects, and these medications, you need follow-ups from your doctor. You need to be monitored, okay? There's a lot of side effects that can happen when taking this medication. Oh my gosh, the weather is so nice. It's cold. I'm gonna go drop by at Tim Hortons because I really love buying coffee in the morning. I don't know, I just cannot start my day without drinking coffee. So anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys have any more questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Follow me in my Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok because I'm pretty active on those platforms also. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Turn on that notification bell for more updated videos such as this one. Share it with your friends and families. And guys, as always, never ever self-diagnose. Seek medical help for proper treatments and diagnosis. Anyways guys, magkita-kita ulit tayo on my next videos. Bye-bye! Lamig guys, look at this. It's really nice, right?